Hi guys, welcome to my channel Explain Biology. So today I'm going to teach you all microbes in human welfare lesson, which is of term 2 chapter is in term 2 biology class 12. So this is my first video, and if you like my explanation, you can subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. So let's get started with the first chapter of our channel. So first of all, I'll say about this microbes. Microbes means, like, simply we can say the bacteria. Bacteria are called microbes. So in microbes, many kind of microbes are there. You'll be seeing some infectious bacteria also, and you'll be seeing some welfare. For human welfare, some bacteria are made. For example, curd. Curd you'll be seeing. Curd is a thing which is made from the bacteria. It is a very useful bacteria. That is what the name is called lactobacillus. So it is a very useful bacteria which gives us vitamin, which is very highly nutritive. So we are going to understand these all things in the chapter. So first thing we're going to understand is microbes that are used in household. Means in household what all we are using, microbes which we are using in household. And the second thing we'll be seeing, it is used in industries. So industries also we are using the microbes by which we are making the beverages, cold drinks we are making. So this we are making it. And the next thing we can see, that is it is used in the sewage treatment, like how to remove the sewage, that all treatments, it is also used in that also. Okay, and we're going to see this line by line. So in the video can be in part wise also, or we can complete in one video also. So first thing we'll see this. So in this we are going to see the first the sub points I'm going to tell you. The first one is your curd, which is my personal favorite because I'm always eating curd. Like in my home, I'm always like every day you used to eat curd with rice, or simply used to eat it, and it is very nutritive also. You can take curd every day also. Okay, so curd is made. The process I'm telling you have to make a flowchart and keep. It will be very easy to understand, and you can keep in your mind also. First thing is, curd is made, means first it is made from what? Milk. Okay, milk contains what? Lactose. Okay, it contains lactose. So in that lactose, what happens? Lactobacillus bacteria is there. You know that what the bacteria name is? What? Lactobacillus. What it does, it changes the lactose into lactic acid. Okay, so the lactic acid is there, so it changes to lactic acid, and this lactic acid, what it does, it coagulates the milk protein. What is milk protein? Milk protein is, name of milk protein is casein. Okay, it coagulates it, and that's why the curd, it is very what to say, it is very coagulating, like, you know, it's very solidified, like semi-liquid type it is. So because of this only. Okay, so this is only you have to study in curd. So curd is made by what? This microbe. This is a useful microbe, and it is very nutritive, very nutritive. Okay, it can come in exams also, like which vitamin it is having. Means it contains what vitamin? It contains vitamin B12. Okay, and it increases the vitamin B12 in our stomach. In our stomach, it contains a lot of this vitamin B12. We need that, and it is very nutritive also. Okay, so in the first thing, I think this is important, and this is only enough for this first part. And one more thing is there, that is inoculum. Inoculum is also important. You can say the starter also. That is, if you have noticed, like sometimes we are making in the fresh milk, we are putting some, like one spoon of curd, so that it will become, because in that small amount of curd, lactobacillus bacteria is there. So what it does, it makes the curd, it makes that fresh milk react with that lactobacillus, and the whole milk is changed into curd. Okay, so now next thing we are going to see, after the curd, what we are going to see. So after curd, we are going to see the second point is dough. Dough is there. So in dough you have some steps. That is, first thing is your idli is there. You have idli, dosa is there. So what are made by this? Means like it is made by what? It is fermented by what? By bacteria. Okay, it is fermented by bacteria. Then only the idli, dosa is made. Okay, and many times you have noticed, no, the puffed up appearance, it comes due to what? All know that production of what? CO2. CO2 is produced. CO2 is product in that. So then only the puffed up appearance you can see in idli also. You can see, the puffed up appearance in that CO2 is present. That's why this happens. Okay, the puffed up happens. Okay, the next thing in this, it is some only. Okay, now next we'll go into indoor only. The second is bread. Okay, bread. Bread is made from, if you are knowing this bread, like when we are saying bread, you will be remembering the yeast also. So yeast you can't say, you can say baker's yeast. Okay, in this chapter you can say like this, baker's yeast. So in this baker's yeast you can see it is what? Baker's yeast is there, no? Baker's yeast, the scientific name you have to remember. For NEET also and for CBSE, sometimes they can ask you that what is the scientific name of yeast also. So what is that? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, so sometimes you'll be not able to say instantly, but you have to keep on saying it and you'll be able to. Okay, so Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So this you have to understand. And this baker's yeast, what it does, it ferments the bread. Okay, and that's why the bread, it has a production, means it has CO2, it has in large quantity. That's why it's very much puffed up. Okay, so this is only enough for this bread. And the third thing I think here we can write. Third thing is toddy. Toddy, it is a traditional drink. Okay, it's a traditional drink, and please don't go with my handwriting. This I am like speed handwriting, this way my handwriting like that. Okay, so you understand, no? And if you're not able to understand, please comment me that I'll change my handwriting. Like, okay, so toddy is there. So toddy is a traditional drink of what? Southern India. Okay, Southern India, like Madras, Chennai is there. There, the toddy drink is very much famous. Okay, how it is prepared? You have one line. It's a very it has a very important line. Fermentation on just wait a minute. Yeah, fermentation, not fermenting sap from palms. this line is like, it's this 4 words are very important. They can ask you the preparation of toddy or the preparation of bread, the preparation of dough. Okay, so you have to be ready with this all. So it is fermenting sap from palms. Okay, this is enough for toddy. Okay, now next thing which we are going to see this, just one line you can remember that microbes are used to ferment the fishes. Okay, fishes, soya bean is there. Okay, then bamboo shoots to make foods also. Okay, now we'll see the next. That is what cheese. It's again a favorite thing. Okay, so it is one of the oldest food. Okay, they can tell you in question, write about, means explain the oldest food. Okay, so they can twist the question and ask also. Okay, so cheese you will get me. So cheese, 2 types cheese in this NCERT is written. Swiss cheese. First thing is Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese in the sense you can understand by like this one cheese will be there in Tom and Jerry. You can able to see that like one triangle type it will be like, no, like that. So Swiss cheese, it is what? It is having a large amount. It is fermented. You can say, yeah. It is due to the fermentation, or you can say production of a large amount. Okay, large amount of CO2 by a bacteria. So bacteria name is important. Bacteria called Propionibacterium shermani. Okay, Propionibacterium shermani. So what happens in Swiss cheese? It is due to the production of large amount of CO2 by a bacteria called Propionibacterium shermani. Okay, now next cheese is also there. So you have understood these. This whole page you have understood. Once upon we'll recap it. Okay. Okay. Afterwards, in last we'll recap. Now next we're going to see. So the next cheese which we're going to see, that is Roquefort cheese. So names are very interesting. Okay. So Roquefort cheese, it is made from specific fungus it is made from, and it's also called, in NCERT it is not there, but you can keep in your mind that it is also called blue cheese. Okay. And it gives some particular flavor also. Okay. Understood, guys? Okay. So this